Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this lovely, it kind of reminds me of a peacock look. Very well, I don't know, kind of like a halo eye but smoky eye at the same time. Very colorful look, very fun. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with this look. So right now, I already primed my eyes with my concealer. It'll be linked down below, like everything I use I'll have down below. But let's get started. I'm first going to be taking my Morphe M514. It's like a little small round blending brush. As clean as I could get it, but the eyeshadow is like literally stained the brush. I don't know. So going in with my James Charles palette, I'm going to be taking this like bright aquamarine blue right here. Okay. Hang on. That's going to be our second step. We're going to be taking the color that's right under it, and it's going to be this deep, dark royal blue. Yeah, it's like a royal blue color. Go right into the crease in kind of circular motions, and then sweeping back and forth. I'm going to bring it like all the way in the inner corner too, and outer corners are going to kind of be making like a halo eye almost. Now this is up to you if you want to do the outer corner and like kind of make it go out or go down. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, so when I wrote up that last comment, I had an idea that I'm actually going to be taking this out like a wing and have it blended like a wing. But for me to do that, I'm gonna be taking tape. I feel like this is like such an old trend to like tape your eyes to make that really straight line, but honestly, I love it. So we're gonna be taking tape. Like this is literally tape from Stop and Shop, whatever tape you want to use. And like place it on the back of your hand like a couple times so it's not too sticky. It doesn't hurt when you like peel it off of you. Okay. Then you're just gonna place it. You're gonna follow your waterline. As you can see how it goes up in that angle. So you're gonna follow the angle, and that's like the natural angle of your eye, and it'll make your eye look the best it could be. Just a tip to like personalize your makeup. So I think I'm gonna be able to. I might need a mirror for this. So you want to make sure you're gonna be able to close your eye without it stabbing you, and open your eye at the same time where it's not uncomfortable. I probably could have grabbed a smaller piece of tape, but we're just gonna go with it. So now that the tape is in the position I want it, I'm gonna go back in with that color and finish the outer corner. So going in with that royal blue, I'm gonna make it go kind of sweep upwards, like to this corner right there. So taking this brush that came from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I think the Norvina one, I'm gonna use this bigger, rounder, fluffier brush for this so I could blend in the shade right here. So now I'm gonna go in with this aquamarine kind of electric blue color. And I'm gonna go right above and kind of on top of the blue to blend it out. Just taking your time, sweeping back and forth, little circular motions, because you don't want to bring this too high up into your brow. So you can see I'm kind of going over that dark blue so you get that gradient effect. So I'm going to go back with this royal blue color with my Morphe 514 brush. And I'm going to go ahead and deepen it up and kind of bring it down more into the corners. The outer corner and inner corner. So, going down here a bit more. I'm making that a bit more vibrant. You always want, when you blend something, you always want to go back in with the other color to blend it again. Okay, so going back into the palette, I'm going to be using this deep purple. Like, it's such a pretty color. It's just like the perfect purple, I guess you could say. I don't know how else to explain colors. Like, what's that? It's eggplant. It's an eggplant color, definitely eggplant. Okay, so going in, I'm now going to be going underneath the royal blue and adding color there. I'm not going into my crease, I'm just staying within my lid region, leaving the center of my lid open. I'm not going to touch the center of the lid. Then I'm going to be taking a bigger blending brush, clean one, just to blend the purple and blue together, and then I'm going to put some blue back in there, because you always want to go back into the color that you just blended it with to make sure that the color's still there. And it, like, trust me, if you do this, like, the blend and the colors are just going to be, like, amazing. Like, you'll see. Try it for yourself. Okay, so I had another brush that I really liked using, just a bit bigger than this, from e.l.f., but I cannot find it, so I'll be taking the brush that I used for the other color, for the aquamarine, by the Anastasia brush. Honestly though, e.l.f. brushes are my favorite. They last the longest. Like, they are actually comparable to Morphe, like I would say, and they're a lot cheaper. Well, maybe like a few dollars cheaper, but still, they last longer. Okay, so I'm going to be taking, actually, this brush right here. It's the e.l.f. blending brush. Not the one I'm looking for, because it's more flatter. The one, and like, these are so soft too. Like, not as soft as Morphe, but they're up there. So I'm going to be taking that royal blue again right on this brush and just going to go in right into my crease to just make that color pop after we just blend it with like two colors. So just going to make sure that's still there, shining through. And then back with the crown brush that has some extra purple on it. So now for the last and final part, I'm going to be taking, it's actually perfect for this. Oh, what is on here though? It's like, have you ever seen those videos where like they do like the makeup thing? Can you see anything come off of that? Probably not. Okay, let's get back on track. So now, I'm going to be taking the color that's right next to this eggplant purple, and I'm going to be going into like, is it fuchsia? I don't know. It's like a pinky purple color. No idea how to explain it, but I'm taking a flat brush, dipping it in, and then I'm going to go right into the center. You can, if you did cover up your center, because sometimes it happens, you can use concealer just to dab on a little bit, and then you can always blend out the edges with the darker purple, then put this on. But I think I should be good. We'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. So basically what I'm doing with this color, I'm looking straight ahead, and when I look straight ahead, I'm going to go right where my pupil is and just place that color right there, because that tells you where the center of your eyelid is, so when you're looking at somebody, it's like right in the center. Okay, so now that I packed on that purple color right in the center, I'm going to go back in with the darker purple. Again, there's a theme here. You do one color, go back to the other color. And I'm just going to go in the inner corners. just gonna do like a brown bone highlight before I put away the James Charles palette because I've used it the whole thing, so why not make it easier on you guys if you guys want to try to recreate this look. I'm gonna stick within the James Charles palette. So going in with the palette again, I'm gonna be taking that like champagne shimmery color. Ooh, or this one. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna be taking the bigger one. This one is kind of more like yellow, but I'm gonna take like the more kind of this is more like gold champagne color, shimmery color right there on my Crown CFAC 13 brush, because I'm gonna use like that pointed end right there, and I'm gonna put the color just on the end, just enough so I can get it right up in there. I'm gonna be going over this green color right here just a bit because I want to take this shimmery shade all the way out. It doesn't matter because we're gonna be going back with the green color. So going back in with the the Anastasia brush. Why did I say green? The aquamarine color. Just right on the top to blend in that highlight. Just really quickly. You don't want to do too much. Just quickly. I almost forgot, but my inner corner, I'm going to be taking that champagne color again and going right into my inner corner. I can't see nothing. What am I doing? Taking that right into the inner corner. Just to give it some brightness, make you look awake, you know. So with this look, you can do a black eyeliner. I think I'm going to go and stick with the colorful palette of this. I'm going to go do some blue wing eyeliner with the NYX Vivid Brights, what do you want to call this? Cream color. And it's in the shade Blueprint. And I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. Just an e.l.f. angled brush that I turned into my gel eyeliner brush. I'm going to do this part off camera. It's basically just a wing of a gel eyeliner. And with this tape, it's so helpful with the tape because then you just use it as a guideline and just bring it out. No matter what you do, when you take out the tape, it's going to be like a perfect wing. Like, trust me. Guys, so I am back with the eyeliner on. But yeah, that's the finished eye look. And I also cleaned up the inner corner a bit right here because it's like coming out just a bit too far and had like a really weird shape. So I just took like a makeup remover wipe and just kind of shaped it in a bit more, if that makes sense. But yeah. So I'm back with the finished look. I put lashes on, did my foundation, got some highlight on. And I also just put a little bit of the fuchsia, like light purple pink color right under on my lower lash line. And yeah, I thought just like pull the look together, and I just did like a clear lip gloss. You guys can do like really like a nude color or anything that you guys want. I felt like I just wanted to do like a gloss because this is such like a bold look already and has a lot of color on the eyes, so just left the lips plain to leave the focus on the eyes.